Hi viewers, welcome to this video and today I will be teaching you how to see deleted messages on Discord. So just let's start. First open up your browser and search here Vencode. After searching, just open up the first website and click on download Vencode and download the exe file. After downloading, just open up the file you downloaded and click on stable option and install it and click on OK and just close this and also close your browser. Then just open up your Discord application. So after opening up your Discord application, just go on to user settings and scroll a little bit and go on to Vencode section and click on plugins. After going on to plugins, just search here message and you guys can see the option of message logger. Just enable it and restart your Discord. After restarting your Discord, you guys can easily see deleted messages. So just let's test it. I'm typing hi and let's delete it. So as you guys can see, I can easily be able to see deleted messages. So that's it. Discover the secrets to mastering Discord server creation and bot development with our comprehensive step-by-step course. Elevate your skills and become a Discord expert today. Check out the link in the description to get started. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel and thanks for watching.